Hi guys, I have a new GPhC exam sample question for you to look at. So I'll give you a second to have a quick read of the question and we'll go over this question together. Okay, so have a quick read. As you can see, Mr. K has been prescribed methotrexate tablets for rheumatoid arthritis. The prescribed dose is 4.95 milligram per meter squared per week. His body surface area is given as 1.6 meters squared. How many tablets of methotrexate 2.5 milligram oral tablets would you supply to Mr. K for a month's treatment? Remember to do your rounding, answer as a whole number. So what you need to do is take a second and see if you can do this question on your own. Yes? You can pause this video and see if you can do this question on your own. Okay, so let's go over this question together. Guys, we have Mr. K. He needs a dose of 4.95 milligram per meter squared. And so I'm going to do 4.95 times his BSA, which is provided as 1.6, okay? So that's the first step. So we'll multiply, get your calculator, multiply 4.95 times 1.6. So once you do that, you get 7.92 milligram. Okay, so this is the amount he needs per week. Now, before you move on, remember what I said in my previous video. You have to make clinical decision. Questions like this, they're not as straightforward. This is one of the simplest questions, but they're not as straightforward as they look because your decision is needed when you're answering the question. Okay, so when you get 7.92 milligrams, we're going to divide 7.92 by 2.5. 7.92 divided by 2.5. And that will give us 3.168 tablets. Yes? 3.168 tablets. However, you're not going to move on with 3.168. You are going to make a decision at this point to give the patient 3 tablets per week. And I'll explain to you why. Yes, we're going to give 3 tablets per week. Why do we have to give 3 tablets per week? So when you multiply 3 by 2.5, you get 7.5 milligram. Okay, so that's not quite up to 7.92 milligram. But think about this. How is your patient going to get that extra 0.42 milligrams on top? It's virtually impossible. It's extremely difficult to get that 0.42 milligrams on top. You won't give them 4 tablets either, because if you give 4 tablets, that takes you to 10 milligrams per week, which is a significant overdose. Look at the drug that we're trying to give to the patient as well, okay? It's a drug that can cause toxicity quite easily. So the correct decision is needed. All right, so here, I'm going to make that decision to give 3 tablets per week. Okay, so give 3 tablets per week. So 3 tabs is equal to 1 week. So for a month, which is 4 weeks, we're going to give the patient 12 tablets. Okay, so the answer to this question is 12 tablets. Now, some people may get 13 tablets for a question like this, which is wrong. And the reason, again, is down to decision making. So please make sure you make the correct decisions when you're answering GPhC exam style questions. If you're interested in joining our intensive calculations course, guys, we're registering members at the moment. So go on our website, londonpharmacistnetwork.co.uk, and get yourself registered. Thanks for watching this video.